Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to 2021. So I thought it would be fun to start out the first video for the new year with something that I really enjoy, and that is the Miami Heat. That's one of my favorite basketball teams. So for today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Jimmy Butler of the Miami Heat. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Jimmy Butler, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that comes down here. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to draw another line that comes down here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes in at an angle on each side. Then you want to connect it with a curved line. Up here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curl up and come down like this. Starting here, we're going to add the eyes. I'm going to begin by making a circle shape right here for one eye. Then I'm going to make another circle shape over here for the other eye. Then I'm going to put two little black dots in here. Then right here I'm going to add a little circle shape for the nose. It's going to be kind of open. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go across for the mouth. Make a line that goes down, over, and then up. And a little curved line here for the tongue. Then we just want to color that in. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go up. One here, it's going to go down and then up. For some check marks, we're going to give them kind of like an angry look. Now I'm just going to make this check mark a little fatter and then color it in for the eyebrow. Now starting here, I'm going to add a little mustache shape that goes across here and then one that's going to come across here. Then for his goatee, I'm just going to make some color in some lines. They're going to go down and they're going to come up. It's going to be kind of zigzag down here. For the ears, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curl down like this, and then one right here. It's going to go out and it's going to curl back up. Now for his hair, I'm going to start out here and I'm going to make some kind of like wavy lines. I'm going to make them different sizes out here. And then I'm going to bring it right back down to here. Starting here for his neck, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come up. And for the shoulders, I'm going to draw two lines that come out. Next, I'm going to curve these lines down here. And then I'm going to bring them in like this, with a line across. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. I'm going to go all the way across and bring it up here. I'm going to make a line across here for the shorts, and then a line that goes up, and then another line across here. For the legs, we're going to make two lines that come down. I'm going to draw a line that curls up like this, and then one more like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to go down, it's going to come over and then up. Then one here, it's going to go out, down, over, and then up for the shoes. I'm going to make a little line that comes across here, and then one that comes across here. I'm going to add a line across here for the top of the shoe, and a line that's going to go out and then down. One here is going to go out and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to come out. It's going to come down here. I'm going to curl it in here like this. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curl in and then up like this. Then I'm going to add a little band on his arm right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to curl in. I'm going to come out here. I'm going to add a circle shape right here for a basketball with a little line right here. Then I'm going to add a little bump for his thumb and then a couple more little bumps for his fingers. Now for the basketball shape, I'm going to add a curved line here and then a curved line here. One that comes across and then one that goes down here. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then come up for the jersey. Then the line's going to go down and then down and in here. And we'll add another little line right across here. Then starting here, we're going to add his 22. So we're going to add a little 2 here, and then we're going to put another 2 right over here. And then we're going to add heat right across the front of it, just like this. Now I'm going to add a couple little curved lines on here for some knee braces. And then I'm also going to add some little lines down here and on the sides for his shorts. And there you go. There is your drawing of Jimmy Butler from the Miami Heat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.